Bye, good day. School drop off. It's such a beautiful morning here in the city, and these are some of the reasons I love this homesteading or trying to bring some upcountry vibes in Nairobi at the heart of the city. So this is what we wake up to, birds, and you're at the heart of Nairobi, Kenya. Such beautiful morning. So today I want to show you some of the ways that I've managed to, some of the things I've done and managed to save some money in this Kasongonomics. So it's early in the morning. Tafungulia kuku. So we already have chicken, and this is Nairobi, guys. By now you know. So we are able to collect our own eggs. They are not many, they are 2 per day, but imagine for a family of 4, that's enough. Something else, it's early and this is my packed lunch, so I don't buy food from outside. I'm going to work in the next like 1 hour. So right now it's 7 a.m. and before I go, I'm preparing breakfast. So for this, in a normal day in Kenya, packed lunch, you'd spend, a good lunch is around 200 to 250. So I don't spend that, I save. Here I'm making pancakes. The beauty with my people is that no one likes bread, so we can take a whole more than 2 months without buying bread in this house. So I make our own breakfast. That's what we're about to do right now. So I'm using 3 pans to make it faster because I need to get to work. Yeah, it's all about balancing. So I've already mixed I've done a recipe for pancakes, so I no need showing you. But here's my dough. I've already mixed. I want to make pancakes, so this will save me breakfast. I don't have to spend money on breakfast. So a good breakfast will cost you maybe anything like around 50 shillings to 100, depending on what you eat. So let me make the pancakes. So using 3 pans make it very fast, time efficient. Yeah. So guys, for oil we prefer ghee. It's just a preference, by the way. Then there's just some nice taste it gives. These are stories that, oh, stew health, I don't know, but it's good for you. The hack for using more than 1 pancake. This is your hack for using more than 1 pan. You save on time because they're doing 3 at one go. I love it. Guys, my lunch is packed, and then my breakfast, 3 pancakes, and I'm ready to go to work. That's my lunch and breakfast. Part of the reason we are choosing to do countryside sort of integration in our city is because in our city home we get to enjoy such sounds, guys. Imagine this is early in the morning in the city and this is what you wake up to. It's very beautiful. And continue watching and I'll tell you more tips on how we are saving and even managing to live this simple life in the city. At least we've worked on our compost. It's now empty. It's been mixed up. That's why you can see it's gone down the level. So now we'll get a lot of compost manure. The mbogas are doing better. Though it's been a bit sunny, but we are watering. We had spinach. There are birds that were eating the spinach. Now they've stopped. Hey, thank God. You see, this is the beauty now of urban farming. Guys, I'm already on my way to work, so I was telling you, and thank you so much for joining me this morning and spending the day with me. I appreciate your time so much. So another method that we save money with is making sure that we live close by to the workplace. So those are the sacrifices that we have made. Because where I live, like now I've left home at around 8:20. It's now 8:37 and I'm almost at work. So I stay around 8 kilometers from my work, from my house. So it's easy, and that way I'm able to spend less even on fuel, or even when I'm not using the car, I'm using a matatu. The bus fare is very affordable. So what I do for my car, me and hubby, we fuel like full tank. So when you have a full tank for this car, I also have a very, very economical car. I have a 1200cc car. Yeah, it's just a car that helps me get by, and it is very functional. So that's another way of saving money. When I fuel this car a full tank, it's not even 8k, it's just 7,000 and something, almost 8k, and that is able to push me through the month. And I'm able to go to work daily because I only work on weekdays, Monday to Friday. I'm able to drive to work daily conveniently for a whole month. And so you just budget once, you know that is a budget that you'll take off once a month, and that's it. So we're able to save also some money. So I don't know. They're in the current economy, you know, life is especially in Kenya, we can say life has been a bit tough. It's not like Kitambo. Yeah, so I'm currently at Nyayo Stadium. Yeah, there's a bit of traffic. I want to change lanes because I'm headed towards Upper Hill. Yeah, let's change lane. Unataka kuninyima njia akikuwa serious. Kenyan drivers don't like giving way. Where? Move! Well, I'm sorry, I'm acting like a matatu driver. Look at the matatu. Jesus. Anyway, those are the pressures you go through dealing with matatus in Nairobi. Yeah. So I don't know what methods you're applying. And also where my daughter goes to school is not far from home. Okay, she can't walk, but at least we are charged now a bit less for her to commute to school because it's very near. It's a distance of around 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. So dusty. The sun is all out. Nairobi is finally sunny. Yeah, so guys, some people ask me why, like I've shown you earlier, where I've chosen to do homesteading in a city or story ya kulimalima in the city. But it's not for everyone, though for us we love it because we are praying to God, and we are also doing actioning plans to eventually relocate totally off grid, but not for now because currently, you know, some challenges that after conversing with our friends who are off grid, some of the challenges they face maybe are schools, and you see now our kids are still going to school, so you see the sacrifices we also have to make. So after they're done with school, we'll be now able to relocate and live our lives off grid, because me and hubby actually, we love homesteading, we love farming. That's why we always try to bring a lot of homesteading into our space. If you notice, we have our kitchen garden, and we also have a lot of videos by the way where we train people, or even from example we show people. Oh, there's a lot of reflection from the sun, guys, so don't worry about the quality of the video. So we have a lot of videos where we show people how you can do your own urban farming. Yeah, I want to stop this video because the quality is really bad because of the sun, and I'm almost at work now. So guys, another thing, by the way, we live in a neighborhood. It's near the workplace, but it's not expensive. So for us, why I love homesteading is because you're able to like now, the last time how it saves us, actually the garden gives us the vegetables. So I can't remember, except right now that we have replanted. I could not remember when we last bought boga. So for us, for our veggies, we grow it ourselves. We are able to, so you see we've cut, that's a budget we have cut, and you don't need a big space. Even if you live in an apartment, let's change lane again, you can actually do your vegetable gardens using sacks. There are so many methods, and I've actually done go through my channel, you see plenty of videos on how you can apply urban gardening methods to your own space, even if because as we do very small space gardening, it's a very small space, by the way, and you've seen it in my videos. So guys, I'm telling you something that's doable. So imagine you're saving money for veggies. In something else now, recently, as you can see, our greatest achievement is that we managed to get some chicken, and you have seen it, guys. I showed you the video. So we have 2 female chicken and 1 cock. So we are able to get 2 eggs per day. So guys, 2 eggs per day, look at this guy, 2 eggs per day is enough for us because we are a family of 4. And so by the end of the week, you have just do 2 times 7, you have 14 eggs. So they're enough, and we are hoping they will continue to increase, and we can be able to even sell eggs eventually. Imagine that will also be another substitute, because we've seen that around this market for eggs. Yeah, those are the things that you've been applying, you guys. So thank you so much for joining me this morning. I don't know if I'll be able to shoot through anything through the day, if I find anything interesting. So I'm not a full-time homesteader. I do homesteading, but I'm still working in the corporate world, which I pray to God that at some point I'll be able to exit But for now we are there because we have bills to be paid, you have school and yeah, and all that. So thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for taking your time to even just click this video, guys. I really appreciate you, and may the good Lord bless you so much. So I'm already at work now, so thank you, bye. Decided to hit me at a parking lot. My goodness, people. But anyway, sijui alikuwa anaangalia wapi, but at least it's a small damage. We're gonna fix it. Taking a small break to bask, have lunch. That's usually the view from my office every day. After a long day, I'm in the lift, guys. Finally, it's time to go home. That has been my day. Sasa tuende tukafanye kazi ya homesteading. But it looks so beautiful in the evening. It's the tallest building. It's been real. It's home time now, guys. It's been a whole day of working. Right now it's 6:40. No, 6:30. Is it 6:30 really? Let me see. Oh, my car is behind. So it's actually 6:35. Oh, I'm done with work for today. It's time to go home now. You see, the reason why I love home is because now when you get home, it removes, it's been a noisy, like the city, huko nje it's noisy. Then you get home, it's quiet, birds. That's why we've been trying to bring the countryside feel to our home. Some of those reasons, so that when you go home, at least you're going home to a place where you get to rest nicely, you get to enjoy. So I don't know if I'll take you along with me, but thank you guys so much. Let me go home now. That has been my day, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for taking time to just spending time with me. I don't take it for granted, and I really appreciate you guys. Be blessed so much. So guys, after a long day, I'm back home where it all started. Thank you so much for being with me this day.